Alright, so in this video I'm going to be showing you a couple of features the Betfury platform have to enable you in cryptocurrencies and passive income. So one way is the staking. You can decide to play games and actually earn cryptocurrencies, but one way you can earn passive income is through the staking platform here now. And you only can stake with the native token, which is BFG, and you earn these BFG tokens. You can see here I have 3,500. You earn these BFG tokens by playing games. Like if you saw in the previous video, I played games and I was able, as I was playing using BNB, I was earning the BFG token, and I also played with the BFG token and I multiplied the BFG token. So now you can see if I come down here to my BFG token, you see I have 3,500, but it locked 281. It just tells you here every day I would earn this amount of BTC, Ethereum, this amount of BNB, this amount of TRX, and this amount of USDT. That's what it tells you every single day. So just because I have 3,500 BFG, even if I don't come to Betfury, I'll keep earning these dividends for holding the BFG token. I'll keep earning these dividends every day, every month, consistently. Okay, so imagine you are able to actually acquire 100,000 BFG. This is how much you'll be earning. You'll be earning this amount like every month: $60, 663 TRX. You'll be earning 0.1 BNB, 0.004 Ethereum, and this amount of Bitcoin. This is how you'll be earning if you had 100,000 BFG. Imagine you had 1 million BFG. Imagine you're earning $600 every month. This is amazing, guys. $600 every single month for having 1 million BFG. You could decide to go and buy 1 million BFG and just store it here. You could just decide to go buy 1 million BFG token and store it here and keep earning this amount every month. And if you decide to still sell your BFG token, it's still going to be worth, the amount you invested. But that is not so true, because it might depreciate in value and it might increase in value. So I'm not a financial advisor, so I can say that for real. But you can see here, this is passive income. This is just passive income for holding the BFG token. Right, so this is one way you actually can multiply. You could decide to keep playing here and actually earn, or you could decide you have some money somewhere, or you have other cryptocurrencies elsewhere. You want to convert them to the BFG token and actually keep them here to earn these dividends every single month and every single day. You could just come to Biswap, click the link below, come to Biswap and swap your cryptocurrency to BFG and transfer it to Betfury here. And just, if you decide not to play any game, don't just play. You can decide not to play any game with it. Just leave it on, just leave that in your wallet here on Betfury, and you just keep earning dividends every single month. So that is one way you earn. And another way people use, another powerful way you could actually earn cryptocurrency here on Betfury is through the referral. They have a referral program, so each time you refer somebody and they actually play games, they make wins, you actually earn a dividend of their wins. If you check here, you see you get 15% of their games they play in-house. You get 1.5% for the slots, and you get 5% of the BFG tokens from that they mine or they earn on the Betfury platform. So this is also a very powerful way to actually earn cryptocurrencies and also passive income with Betfury. And they also have a free, through their boxes here, you can actually earn free by withdrawing. You can keep withdrawing this consistently. It's very easy. For instance, now you can just click withdraw. I just complete this recaptcha. That is all. I'm not a robot. And that is it. Terminal. Next, issuer. Next, name. These recaptchas can be very complicated sometimes. It can be so annoying. Verify, just like that, and you see, boom, I've actually withdrawn. I can come back and I can just keep withdrawing every, I think it's every 30 minutes, they're about every 25 minutes, they're about, once this completes after 25 minutes or so, I can come back and withdraw. I can also withdraw this BTC. So that's one way you actually earn. And something to note, as you keep playing, you can see I've crossed to level 2, and the more you keep playing, the more BFG you earn, and the more levels you would increase in. And what it does is, once you go to other levels, you can see I'm now on the gambler level, and I'm actually heading to the next level. If you check here, they have several ranks, but now I'm having cash back. Each time you play and you make losses, you also get cash backs for the losses you make. Okay, so I'm getting 4% cash back for my losses. You see how amazing it is? So right now you're seeing here at after 2 days, 20 hours, I can come here and withdraw all this as my cash back for the games I play and I lost. Just 4%. If you check other ranks, you will see they have different ranks here. I'm here level 2. The miner has 6% cash back, and that's how it goes on and on. But you must have played games and wagered over 1 BTC to actually be in this level to start earning 6% cash back. You must have played up to wagered up to 4 BTC to be in this rank high roller to get 8% cash back. And that is how the ranks continue over and over again. So it's really an amazing platform. This is actually the best platform I've seen where you actually play games and earn cryptocurrency and bet. Very easy, and also very risky, and you can actually earn cryptocurrencies and passive income. So right now I'm going to show you how to sell the cryptocurrencies you've earned. So right now I've earned $25 worth of BNB, and I've earned also I've earned some more BFG token. Okay, so I'm going to just show you how to sell them right now.